Hi, welcome to Nova. This is ERC 4337 Account Abstraction Management Portal for the AI agent. So user can create session key with cross-chain transaction allowed permission, and then user can give the session key to the AI agent to make the transaction. So this is the interface of the Nova. So we already created two sessions, and each session has the permission level for the transaction using the XMC, and there's a detail for how to install skill and how to make the prompt, and also the wallet. This is smart contract wallet, so you can also see the smart contract wallet detail here too. But for this demonstration, let's start from the fresh. So we don't have any session now. So we are going to create a session using the AI coding agent. So now I'm using Codex to make the session. So I ask Codex to send the request to make the session to make the transfer from Polkadot Hub to people chain, transferring the pass token. So when a user requests the session request, we can see the permission level required to the transaction, and then user can approve the specific permission to the session key so that AI agent can act only using the permissioned act operation on the on-chain contract wallet. And then this approve process is on chain. So this is kind of installing session key onto the smart contract wallet. So now smart contract wallet, this is account abstraction wallet, has the session key, which allow AI agents to act some specific permissioned operation on chain. Okay, and this is a cross-chain transferring, so I have to top up the wallet. So this is the faucet button you can get the faucet token into the contract wallet so that you can operate the transferring from Polkadot Hub to people chain. Okay, now everything is set up, so I can go back to that AI agent and ask to operate a transaction here. So this queue has the instruction to make this session and make that signature and make the transaction using the account abstraction wallet like a bundler and the user operation system. So now this AI agent can create the transaction object, which is user operation, and then it's sent back to the server bundler. Then now the transaction is confirmed. So now the transaction is sent to the Polkadot Hub, which is using the XMC precompiled contract. And then this XMC transaction is about transferring the pass token from Polkadot Hub to a people chain. And this is allowed by the permission on this session key because the session key request has the transferring information like this, like pay fees and interact transfer and deposit asset. So AI agent can use that permission to make the transaction from Polkadot Hub to people chain. So this is how it works. Now a user can create multiple sessions and user can assign those sessions into multiple agents. So this is a kind of hub for AI agent. And using this Polkadot Hub AI Agent Hub, you can initiate any cross-chain transaction using XCM messaging protocol onto any parachain. So we can see that smart contract, so it can transfer like tokens and it can interact with the precompiled XCM smart contract on the Polkadot Hub. And then this smart contract module can build and validate the XCM transaction object on chain, so user can have permission control in specific XCM operation, and then it can be validated in the on-chain. So this is like a AI agent permissioned gateway on the Polkadot Hub to interact with any parachain using XCM protocol.